Okay, hi you guys. We're gonna go ahead and continue with step number 34. So this is where we left off. Okay, so the final section of this quiz will contain a drop-down box and a text box. Begin nesting a div with a class of form row and nest 4 div elements inside of it, alternating their class attributes with question block and answer. So that sounds pretty easy. Let's do it. Are you guys with me? So this will be a class of form row. Okay. Let's just copy and paste this. Oh no. What happened, y'all? Why can't we copy and paste? They said alternating. Oops. Oh man. I did it all wrong. All right, let's see if we got it right. Oh, look at that. All right. Trying to see what it's making down there, but it's not showing anything. Okay, within the div question block elements, nest one label element and give the label elements text content. Okay, with the div question block, where is it? Okay, nest one label element in there. Let me see. What should I say? What kind of question should it be? Do you like coding? Okay. Oh, they want me to do this one also. How long will it take to learn coding? Whoa. try to get my code clean looking. They always fix it for me, you know? But I think it's supposed to be like this. All right, let's go to the next one. Within the first div answer element, nest one required select element with 3 option elements. That's one required select element. Okay, give the first element a value of. Oh, yep, I remember this. This is the drop-down menu. Then the second option, give the second option a value of yes. And then this option will be no. All right, that was pretty easy. Uh-oh. You should give the first option element a text content of select. Oh, yeah, that's true. I forgot to put the freaking thing in there. They want me to do it. Let's see. The third option element, a value of no. What is no? Oh, it's got to be lowercase. They are really picky. You should give the select an attribute of required. Oh, that's right. I like required, you guys. It's just nothing is there. Pretty easy to remember. All right, link the first label element to the select element and give the select element a name attribute. Okay, link the first label element to select element. And give the select element the name attribute. I tried to say that. Maybe it's not that. You should give the label element a 4. Is that how you Okay, so when you link and stuff, link is not the business. Like that's not what we say. We select it, we do it by it having a for. That's how we're gonna do it from now on. So when it says for, we're gonna name it something and then give it the ID and name would be the same thing, I think. So you see how we did that? Nest one text area element within the second div answer. And set the number of rows and columns it has. Okay. Set the number of rows and columns it has. I'm not sure how to do that, y'all. Oh, okay. Now we're getting somewhere. I will remember this. Oh my gosh, that is so little. I should have gave it more. Let me see. Dang. It takes a lot to make it big. Oh my gosh, my computer, you guys. Beautiful sounds. Now, that's big. Okay, they gave it 24. That's good enough. As with the other input and label elements, link the text area to its corresponding label element and give it a name attribute. Okay, let's not mess up on this because we remember that it's for to link it. So link the text area to its corresponding label. And I think it also has a name. Oh, I did. Now I'm kind of getting confused. You mean to tell me that both of these gotta have that? So it's name, ID, and 4, y'all. And it's making me think they all gotta have the same thing. Don't forget to give your form a submit button. Okay, you guys. That is definitely not how to do it. It does. The submit should display the text submit. And I see that it does. Like, dude, what's happening? Oops. I don't get it, you guys. I've tried all I can. It does say submit. Help me, somebody, please. Let's Google it. I mean, we're at the last step and we gotta Google this. I'm tired of this not being Google and being Bing. I said Google. Bing. There's a big difference. Button type, submit button. Okay, so let's do that. So it's not input, you guys. This is a button. Type, submit. Submit. And then is that it? Yay! Now all we have to do is style this. I think our HTML is done. Two final semantic HTML elements for this project are the footer and the address elements. The footer element is a container for a collection of content that is related to the page, and the address element is a container for the contact information for the author of the page. After the main element, add one footer. Okay. And nest one address element in it. All right, you guys, within the address element, add the following. All right, wrap a link around the text free code camp and set its location to hey, I can't see it anymore. What happened to it? Hey, I'm proud of myself. I did that, y'all. I did that. Yeah. Okay. Back to styling the page. Okay, you guys, so we're on CSS now. And we're going to be styling it because we've got all the content in here as far as the HTML, all the drop-down boxes, all of the true-false questions. So now we just need to fix it up a little bit. All right, back to styling, step 44. Back to styling the page, select the list elements within the navigation bar and give them the following styles. So up here you see we have nav and unordered list. So that is, that's this up here. And you know, they need to do a little better here because they're holding our hand a lot, but I'm just trying to go back and make sure I see that. Okay, so here's nav and the unordered list. You see it? So this is where the info, the HTML, and the CSS is right here. Okay. So select the list elements within the navigation bar and give them the following styles. All right. It might just be nav, you guys. I'm not exactly sure, but let's just see. I like writing the code out, you guys, because it helps me remember. Oh, my 0 button is really messed up, you guys. Sorry about that. Look at that. Look at what it's doing. Okay. Now let's get rid of unordered list. Oh no. No, we don't know. Nav. It looks the same. What's up with that? You should use either nav list or nav list. Okay. Look at how you could use all of these. Nav and then list. That's interesting, you guys. This is how we would do it. All right, step 45. On the topic of visual accessibility, contrast between elements is a key factor. For example, the contrast between the text and the background of a heading should be at least 4:5 to 1. Change the font color of all the anchor elements within the list elements to something with a contrast ratio of at least 7:1. What? They trust in me to just do that? On the topic of visual accessibility, contrast between the, for example, the contrast, change the font color of all the anchor elements. Well, that's easy. But I have no idea what color it should be. Not one idea. You guys, I have no idea. This is not even a real color. Let's see. I mean, it should be list A. You guys like my color? I think it's pretty cool. Wow, I just came up with that color on my own. All right, to make the navigation buttons look more typical, like typical buttons, Remove the underline from the anchor tags. Then create a new selector targeting the navigation. Okay, wait, let's do this first. Remove the underline from the anchor tags. How do we remove that? Time to Google. I don't like that page to get the answers. How do you remove a style in CSS? So what I'm wondering, yeah, I don't know the answer to this because I don't know. I'm thinking it got that way because it's a link, right? You should use the existing say selector to set the text decoration to none. Oh, so the property is text decoration decoration. You should. Okay, so I would use hmm. Oh, it's hovering. So this is what we do. Oh, okay. We didn't read the second part. Then create a targeting the navigational list elements so that the cursor hovers over them. The background color and text colors are switched and cursor becomes the pointer. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Is hovered color a property? I hope so. Doesn't look like it. Hmm. Look at that. We gave the cursor a pointer with a hand instead. It's pretty cool. Okay, step 47. Tidy up the header by using Flexbox to put space between the children and vertically center them. Then fix the header to the top of the viewpoint. Okay, so this is the header, you guys. It already has these. Using Flexbox to put space between the children and vertically center them. I forgot how you do this. Let's try it. No. It's something like that. Justify content, you guys. I got it. And it's going to be center. I think. Oh, space between. We've got to remember some of these, you guys. Oh my gosh. Well, how was we supposed to know all of that? I guess we wasn't, and it just kind of helped us. Next time, you guys. Next time. So justify content, space between, align items, center, position, fixed, top 0. If you want to bring everything to the top. All right. When the screen width is small, the H1 does not wrap its content how it should. Align the text for the H1 element in the center. Is it text align? Center. Then give the main padding such that the student info section header can be fully seen. Student info, where's that at? No. Oh, we're on to something. Okay. I'm excited, you guys. Yes. That works. You should only change the padding top value. Ah, okay. I did padding. And you see how it was kind of bringing it over to the right. But I was so happy it was moving in period. Okay, padding top. All right. On small screens, the unordered list in the navigation bar overflows the right side of the screen. Fix this by using Flexbox to wrap the UL content. Then set the following CS properties to correctly align the text. On small screens, the unordered list in the navigation bar overflows the right side of the screen. Okay. Let's add one of these at a time and just see what they do, you know? Okay. It's not doing anything, you guys. Oh, it's maybe telling me not to do just that. Give it a flex wrap, a wrap. What did that do? Hold on, let's take it away. Didn't see that that did not a damn thing. Sometimes this be confusing me, guys. I don't see any changes that happen. You know what I'm saying? I need to see what it's doing. Set the width of the section element to 80% of their parent container. Set the width of the section element. Okay, this one is pretty easy. Then use margins to center the section elements, adding 10 px to the bottom margin. What? I don't see it's doing anything. Now that did something. I think it's max width and height, you guys. So I'm gonna keep height there because I'm proud of my little answer. Now let's see. Did it need that? Oh, I guess not. It could have went without it. Yeah, and I started to choose max width, but I choose height instead. Replace the top margin of the H2 elements with 60 px of top padding. You should give H2 a margin top of 0. Well, you just said here I should give it 60 px. Which one is it, you guys? Oh, padding. They're very tricky now. And they're messing me up. Oh, they did say 60 top padding. Add padding to the top and left of the info elements and set the other values to 0. We know how to do this one, right? I know. No. This is padding. I'm not going to get messed up with that again. So top left. Okay. I see what they're doing now. You guys, I'm literally doing that. You should give info a padding top of at least 1 px. That is exactly what I did. Okay. I don't get it. Why is it doing that? Step 53, give the form row elements top margin and left and right padding. The other padding value should be 0. Then increase the font size for all input elements. Give the formal elements top margin. It's not telling me what to give them. So I really don't know. Gives the formal elements top margin. Oh, I guess just give them anything. That didn't look right, just leaving it bare like that. To make the first section look more in line, target only the input elements within info element. Left align their text. Oh. I guess because info came first, so that makes sense. Target all label elements within info. All right, let me go back to HTML, you guys, to see if label is prior to info. Okay. So info is first and then labels. You see why we did that? Because labels are everywhere. It's just the info one. So hopefully we get this right. We're gonna do max width. Oops, minimum width. Oh, almost had it, y'all. I should have known that one because basically it's no less than 55. The max would have been no more than. So, all right, let's keep it moving. We're almost done, you guys. To align the input boxes with each other, set the display property to inline block for all input and label elements within .info elements. Also align the text to the right. Mm. Look at that. So element, whatchamacallit is not. Oh, what did that just do? Hmm. Hmm. Now this is interesting. It's info label and then dot info input. Let's find these, you guys. We have to do our due diligence to see what they're talking about here. Info. All right, here we go. Info. And this is this right here. Info label and then info input. Div class info. So it's up here, you guys. And then we have info. The input is down here, the label, and then input. Okay, this is interesting. So it's like, this is the mama. Let me see if it even has a higher one than this. This is the mom. I'm kind of confused, but I'm gonna go with it. I kind of see what they're doing here, but let's just keep going. To neaten the question block element, set the following CSS properties. Let's take a look at this. Let's get eyes on this so that we can see what it does one step at a time. We're using text align left, display block width I see it changes a little bit, but seriously, I really see changing when I use margin top or margin anything. Padding for surely changes it. This width situation and display block, I never see those. But, you know, maybe it's just, I don't know, subtle change. All right, make the paragraph elements appear as a higher priority with the following CSS properties. Here we go. We're using margin top again. That moves sometimes. Okay, I see it. It is useful to see the default border around the field set elements during development. However, it might not be styled the way you want. Remove the border and bottom padding on the questions element. I knew it would be 0. But you see how border was none? So I was right on that one. So yeah. All right. Step 60, remove the default styling for the list items of answers list and remove the unordered list padding. Oh, wow. So removed it from this one. So I think LI is first and then this is second, you guys. What do you think? Okay. This style. Give the submit button a free code camp style design with the following CSS properties. The submit button, huh? What is the submit button, y'all? It's down here. It's the only button in town. I'm gonna write all this out because I don't want to, I don't think we can put button right there. It's not liking that, you guys. I'm gonna try it though, because like it's the only button. We've used other elements. Why not button? And then we'll just try to look at the bottom to see if it changed. Let's see. Oh, it's changing. See, I can't see it all the way. Oh, look at that. I'm on the right track, you guys. I chose button. It's okay. Sometimes I guess it has a little squiggly line under it, like you're not doing nothing. Alrighty. Wow, that's a huge submit button. Goodness. All right, footer, background color. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. Use Flexbox to horizontally center the text. What was that again? Justify content, right? Center, maybe? Display. Flex. Hey, I did have that. I put justify content. Center. Display. Flex. So I guess after putting justify content center, you need to say that you're using flex by always adding display flex after it. Now we cannot read the text. Target the footer and the anchor element within the set to set the font color to a color of adequate contrast ratio. Just trying different things. Sorry, guys. This. Horizontally center all the text within the address element and add some padding. Padding needs to be. I mean, yeah. I didn't think it needed any padding to the right or left, but I guess they're gonna make me do it. Clicking on the navigation link should jump the viewport to the relevant section. However, this jumping can be disorienting for some users. Select all elements and set the scroll behavior to smooth. How the heck do you select all elements? All of them? Oh, I remember that one. Yep. Wrap the style rule that sets scroll behavior smooth within a media at rule with media feature prefers reduced motion having no preference set as the value. Oh my gosh, what the fuck? Sorry, you guys. Okay, wrap the style rule that sets scroll behavior smooth within a media, within an at media at rule. Wait a minute. Ah, I have no idea. Parentheses, colon, ending parentheses. I have to reset this, you guys, because I messed up. All right, we have to Google this. It's always at the end that it chooses to like stomp us. Hmm. Oh my gosh, you guys, I don't know the answer to this. I want to move on very badly, but I don't even know what this is doing, to be honest with you. I'm just trying to get the right answer so I can get out of here. To be honest with you, though, that's not the right attitude to have. Hmm. Mm. Okay, you guys, after all that time, I got the answer. Here it is. At media prefers reduced motion, colon, no preference, squiggly, line, that. I swear I put that, but I don't even know how. Well, it doesn't matter. Let's move on, okay? Ooh, number 66. Goodness. Okay. Finally, the navigation accessibility can be improved by providing keyboard shortcuts. The access key attribute accepts a space-separated list of access keys. For example, button, type, submit, access key, S, submit, button. Give each of the navigation links a single letter access key. Note, it is not always advised to use access keys, but they can be useful. Well done, you have completed the accessibility quiz project. After we do this. Okay. Give each of the navigation links a single letter access key. I hope this is right, guys. I mean, I'm ready to go to bed here. Mm. Okay, and we're finished just like that. You guys, thank you for hanging with me. And yeah, I will be back on the next video to build this tribute page. It looks like we don't have any help, and that's exciting. See you next time.